With that, let's start wrapping up for the day and let's wind down, take a look at how today's trading session has panned out. You have Nifty 50 that's managed to somehow hold on to the shade of green. Remember, we were absolutely flat at one point of the day. Nonetheless, a 0.3% uptick is what we've seen, and we're very close to 25,650, but decently above 25,600, so looking good on that front. Sensex 2 in tandem with the Nifty, a 0.3% uptick coming in. 84,000 is what we've just crossed on the Sensex, so looking very good on that front as well. A fresh record high once again coming in for Nifty Bank today, 57,430 thereabouts is where the Nifty Bank is today, a 0.4% uptick coming here. So while these benchmarks have not done all that badly, you have the broader end of the market that has looked much more resilient, because you have the small cap space that's outperforming the entire market today and gaining all the spotlight rather. Almost a 1/10% uptick coming in. And Nifty mid cap, you have 0.3% uptick coming in on that front. So in tandem largely with the market. In terms of, let's take you through the live event of the India Climate Summit. We will go we'll go there in just a bit from now, but let's once again shift focus back to the markets. Last couple of minutes left for the trading session, and you also have a lot of stocks from the broader end of the market and the Nifty that have done well. You have the likes of Jio Financial, Asian Paints, Apollo Hospitals, IndusInd Bank. All of them are trading with gains of anywhere between 2.5% and 4% today. So the Nifty pack has held on to the shade of green. On the flip side, a few names that have been weighing on the index today, the likes of Tata Consumer, Dr. Reddy's, Wipro, SBI Life. But let's talk about some stocks that were in focus today. AkzoNobel, of course, on the back of that JSW Paints deal. So that is a stock that has been in focus today. Other than that, you have energy, oil and gas, pharma, PSU banks, Nifty metals that have continued to be in the green for the second straight day, so looking good over there, and auto has barely made it in the green. What's not done well today is the entire FMCG space, IT, realty. All of these stocks were under pressure, and if you take a look at how we've moved for the week, Nifty Realty is the biggest loser with a 2% cut on a week-to-date basis, and metals emerge as the biggest winner with almost a 5% uptick coming in on a week-to-date basis. And you have names like Hindustan Copper, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Vedanta, Nalco. All of them have done pretty well in the week that went by. So lots to watch out for, and it's been a solid week for us. With that, we'll wrap up in terms of markets, but let's take you down to the action coming in from the India Climate Summit. And we've just seen the candle lighting happening on that front. So the lamp has been lit and the summit is underway. But with that, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades.